Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best door hole fixer is probably one of the most underrated tools in any homeowner's arsenal. Dealing with unsightly holes and cracks in your doors can be a real headache, but thankfully, there's a simple and effective solution. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of door hole fixers, exploring their benefits, and showing you how they can save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. Number 5. Drywall Repair Putty, Quick and Easy Hole Filler. Are you tired of looking at those unsightly holes in your walls? This drywall repair putty is the perfect solution. It's designed to make your walls look brand new. This versatile putty works on more than just drywall. It's also great for filling holes in wood and plaster. It's a great product to have on hand for any home repair. Small imperfections are no match for this putty. It's perfect for filling nail holes and cracks. It provides a smooth surface for painting. Forget complicated tools and messy applications. This putty is easier to use than most wall putties. It simplifies the repair process. You don't need a putty knife to apply this product. Simply swipe, wipe, and paint. It's that easy to use. The application is incredibly simple. Just swipe the putty over the hole, wipe away the excess, and then paint. It's a quick and easy fix. What we like. This putty is incredibly easy to use, making it perfect for quick fixes. You can simply swipe, wipe, and paint, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a hassle-free solution for small holes and cracks, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to apply and it covered the hole in my wall right up. Great product, dries quickly. Works great and easy to use. Number 4. BONCART Drywall Repair Kit. Tired of looking at those unsightly wall damages? This kit is your quick and easy solution. It includes everything you need to fix cracks, holes, and more. Inside, you'll find 2 wall mending agents, nozzle extenders, a scraper, and sandpaper. This comprehensive kit ensures you have all the tools for a perfect repair. Repairing your walls is now incredibly simple. Just squeeze out the agent and smooth it with the spatula. It's designed for easy, reusable application. This upgraded formula is formaldehyde-free, ensuring your safety. It's also highly resistant to breakage, waterproof, and leaves a streak-free finish. Whether it's drywall cracks, nail holes, or wall stains, this kit handles it all. It gives your walls a fresh, new look, making them look as good as new. We are committed to providing excellent service. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We are here to help. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need for a complete repair, including extenders and sandpaper. It's also safe and non-toxic, making it a great choice for families. If you have various repair needs and want a comprehensive solution, you should consider this. What people say. Worked perfectly for covering up cuts in hand-troweled drywall. The material in this kit allowed me to easily fill in the cuts, using the included small trowel and sandpaper, and match the original trowel marks. Patches came out perfectly and paint blended right in. Number 3. Drywall Repair Kit with Scraper. This wall mending agent kit is made with safe ingredients, making it suitable for homes with children, elderly, and pets. It's waterproof and formaldehyde-free, ensuring a safe and effective solution for your home improvement needs. The repairs are virtually invisible. The wall repair paste dries quickly, usually within 4 hours, providing fast and professional-looking results. It offers strong adhesion, crack resistance, and water resistance, leaving your walls smooth and protected. Remember to wear gloves when applying it. Fix wall damage and cracks with simple steps. Just squeeze and scrape to repair holes and cracks. The kit includes scrapers and sandpaper for a smooth finish, and it can be reused after opening without shrinking or cracking. This kit is perfect for repairing cracks, nail holes, peeling walls, graffiti, and stains. It's ideal for homes, schools, and offices, making it a great solution for small repair projects. It's a versatile tool for various wall issues. The kit includes 2 100G wall repair pastes, scrapers, nozzle extenders, sandpaper, and wall repair patches. If you have any issues, Contact us, and we will assist you within 24 hours. This kit has everything you need to get started. What we like. This wall mending agent is made with safe and green ingredients, ensuring it's safe for everyone. It dries quickly and provides a durable, waterproof finish. If you like a product that combines safety with effectiveness and long-lasting results, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This kit contains almost all the tools and materials I need, 2 different sizes of squeegees, nozzle extensions, sandpaper, and drywall patches, among others. These accessories are very useful and make patching easier and more efficient. The wall patch has a great texture that makes it easy to fill holes and cracks in the walls of your home. Also, it dries quickly and I don't have to wait too long for the next step. The surface of the wall after patching is flat and smooth and blends perfectly with the surrounding walls, making the patching barely noticeable. Number 2. Drywall Repair Kit, Large Hole Patch. Tired of unsightly holes and cracks in your walls? This kit is your ultimate solution. It's designed to make wall repairs simple and effective, so you can restore your walls to their former glory. This wall mending agent is incredibly easy to use. Just squeeze, apply, and scrape. The fast-drying formula ensures that the repair is done quickly, leaving almost no trace behind. Made with wall glue, resin, and carbonate cover, this repair kit is safe for your home. It's free of harmful ingredients, allowing you to repair any holes and graffiti on the wall with peace of mind. The wall repair paste has strong viscosity and is crack-resistant. It quickly fills holes and cracks, providing professional-looking results. The repair will be virtually invisible. The kit includes everything you need: wall plaster, scrapers, nozzle extenders, sandpaper, and wall repair patches. It's the perfect all-in-one solution for your wall repair needs. This crack repair cream is perfect for homes, schools, and offices. It's ideal for repairing nail holes, cracks, peeling paint, graffiti, stains, and scrapes, making it a versatile tool for any space. What we like. This product is a good helper for small wall repairs, making the process simple and fast. It's also environmentally friendly and waterproof. If you are looking for a quick and easy solution for minor wall damage, you should consider this. What people say. Works very well. Mesh tape is easily covered with mud using several coats. Aluminum is lightweight and allows mud to penetrate, thereby strengthening the repair. Number 1. 3M LHR-KIT Large Hole Repair Kit. Introducing the 3M LHR-KIT. This kit makes wall repair simple. It's designed for quick and effective fixes. The repair plate flexes and adheres behind the wall. This ensures professional-looking results. It's a reliable solution for various damages. This kit is perfect for holes with a diameter of 3 to 5 inches. It's ideal for common wall damage. This makes the repair process straightforward. When used with 3M high-strength large hole repair compound, repairs are 5 times faster. This saves you time and effort. Get your walls fixed quickly. Use this kit to repair damaged areas on both walls and ceilings. It's versatile and suitable for various surfaces. Restore your home with ease. The compound prevents shrinking, cracking, or sagging. It ensures a durable and long-lasting repair. Enjoy a flawless finish. Suitable for both interior and exterior use with exterior paint. It's a versatile solution for all your repair needs. Protect your home from the elements. What we like. This kit offers high strength and is designed specifically for large holes, ensuring a professional finish. It also prevents shrinking, cracking, or sagging, guaranteeing a long-lasting repair. If you have larger holes to repair and want a reliable, professional-grade solution, you should consider it. What people say. It worked great. First, the kit says the surface needs to be clean and dust-free. I did what I could, but with all the insulation, etc. in there, it wasn't perfect by any means. I did use a razor to trim some of the ragged edges. The 3M back piece still stuck and held very easily. You can break pieces off to adjust the size, which is nice since one side of my hole was against a stud, so I wanted to make that side shorter. Next, I filled it with the provided filler. This stuff is amazing. I've used basic spackle before and this is much easier to work with and just fill the entire hole. The tip of doing a final pass with the putty knife being wet helped a lot too. It took less than a minute to fill and smooth the hole. I also only used about half of the container and had plenty left that I used to fill other little holes dings around the house. The compound in this repair kit has a lot of embedded fibers, which makes it more like clay than regular compound. It also hardened without cracking or shrinking noticeably. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.